Ayan na, na-stop na dito.
Ulit. Game. We're going to chop some trees. We're going to chop some trees. We're going to chop some trees.
Okay na.
Iyak ka na naman. Oh, trees.
1, 2, 3, go. We're
We're
going
going to chop some trees. We're going to chop some trees. Hi ho, there yo. We're going to chop some trees.
Victory! That's good for chopping! Let's chop this one first! Hey! Hey, yo! Hey! Here's a victory! That's good for chopping! Let's chop this one first!
All the plants and animals are scared. What happened?
Oh no! Look, fairies! The woodcutters shut down our willow trees. Those bad woodcutters, they even chop down the small trees.
Wait, fairies! If you touch these weak fallen willow trees, you will know that there's a little life left.
Yes, I can feel it.
What can we do? Sabi niya, oh. I know what we can do. There's only one person who can bring this enchanted tree back to life.
Who?
Mother Nature!
Oh yes!
Oh yes, Mother Nature! Can help us. Let's go see her!
So the fairies went on a quest to search for Mother Nature and asked for help to bring the willow tree back to life. They went past the icy mountains and the slimy stream until they reached the magical cave of Mother Nature.
Oh no! How can we call Mother Nature?
I remember we have to circle our wands 3 times, click our feet 2 times, and call her name. Are you ready? Let's go!
Paano nagawin nila? Mother Nature!
Mother... Asan na? 1? Paano yun? Nasaan yun?
Ikot na natin 3 times.
3 times. 1, 2...
Mother Nature!
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, Mother Nature!
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
Ano ba go?
Mother Nature!
Green Fairy.
We must be doing
Ay.
something wrong. She's not coming out on her magical cave. Out of her magical
Maybe
cave.
there's not enough fairies. Let's go look for other fairies to help us.
All fairies, so bababa tayo.
Bakit nakalagay ito ang fairies and fairy is?
Sige, baba kami.
Mga bata, fairies and bata. Ito, are you a fairy? Do you want to join
That's
us?
Mother
Let's
Nature.
go.
That is Mother Nature.
Ayun na ba yun?
Are there any fairies in the house?
you're one.
Saan ka bababa doon? Ay, ba't malayo pa? Dito pa lang tayo dapat.
Oo nga, tapos mayroon na, kapag pagbaba natin ganon, kukuha tayo ng 3.
Ito pa lang yun, oh.
Meron
Dito
pa,
pa lang tayo.
dito pa lang tayo, tapos meron pa tayong ibang kukunin na bata. Nagdidilig
sige.
sila. Pero meron pa tayong kukunin na fairy.
Sige, kuha na ng isa. Ulit yung sabi.
I got a fairy already, come
Oh,
on.
yellow fairy. Are you Mother Nature? Ay, ayun na si Mother Nature!
Nung dumating na yung mga bata, lumabas ka na. Habang kami lalabas ka na agad. Ayan na.
Oh, nakahali mo ka muna. Ako si yellow fairy muna. Are you Mother Nature?
Yes, I am Mother Nature. How may I help you, beautiful fairies?
I am
Yes, I am
Mother Nature, no? Sige, tapos ka na.
Di ba yung mga bata magdadala pa din?
Some woodcutters have chopped down the trees in our enchanted forest, and even our small willow tree. But we felt there's still a little life left. What can we do? Please help us make our willow tree alive again.
Yes, I understand and I know what to do. The willow tree can come back to life if there will be 2 to 3 kids that will show their love. They have to water the tree and touch it with their love. Now, go back to your enchanted forest and bring your trees back to life.
Thank you, Mother Nature. Yellow fairy.
What is wrong, Pink Fairy? Why are you crying?
Oh no! Oh no!
Piloy? Parang laging oh no, you know?
Where can you find 5 kids to show love to our small willow?
Kailangan na nagawin sa mga bata na kayo natin.
Paulitin din.
To have plants like our willow tree.
Dapat wala mo ng... Ay, kaya wala ka mali.
Yan ang pala, ito ko kung paano.
Wala ka mali lang dyan.
Are you ants? Are you ants? Would you like to help us? Come on, let's go! Facebook ka na rin.